Timmy, look, there's a van. That looks like your dad in his van, huh? The doors flying off.
The other day, that guy, he's like, yeah, people sent me in to see you. It made me feel better.
Ooh.
One more turn. Looks like the soccer doesn't miss it.
Oh, he's gonna fucking rod the shit.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Take it easy, buddy. Take it easy, man.
0.14 seconds for the soccer dad. Here for the Michael Waters.
Like $2.
Michael Waters got a DNF at round number 1.
Big one.
That's it. That did it. Oh, no shit.
Last call for 50-50 raffle. Last call for 50-50 raffle.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! That was sweet. Nice. You see that, Tim? Isn't that cool? Oh!
Go Chevy!
Yeah.
Let us know you want to see some.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, dude. He's got a flat. He's still gonna go with it. He's obviously not trying to crash it.
How's that?
Second time he won.
I'll get tired too. Ooh.
I can't believe you stayed alive that long.
Oh, dude, I hope he has some
He's gonna feel that later.
I bet he gets fucked up. That guy.
Here comes Jason Smith.
Yeah, dude. He's gonna...
Huh? Ooh.
Here we go.
Here he goes.
No, but Chrissy's alive because I don't know if I can. Seaweed. Ew, it smells like fish.
Does it?
Halfway through the
He
course.
said no.
Nope.
Like, I don't know about it.
Alright, dude.
It tastes like fish.
Yeah, it tastes like fish food. It smells like what you sprinkle in your fish food. Thank you.
It tastes like fish.
That's the sea part.
Yeah, right. I'm more of the weed fan, not so much the seed. You can have that back. I'm not into that at all.
Have nacho cheese with some gluten, maybe I'll eat it.
Can't eat it.
I know. I'm like, yes, that's the guy that eats 2-week-old spaghetti. Poor man.
fucking awful.
Let's see if this is the legendary kid. Tossing and tossing around the corner. Whatever it takes to deliver steel.
Yeah, there's no shocks in that thing.
Sad about missing the toga party.
Looking to get some help from the band to the turn.